Artificial intelligence is changing the world, fast. From healthcare to finance, and even entertainment, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. But it needs powerful hardware, like really powerful. We're talking about machines that can process vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye. Think of it like trying to run the latest Call of Duty on your grandma's flip phone. Not gonna happen. The gap between old and new tech is enormous. That's where AI hardware comes in. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop the next generation of AI hardware. We're talking specialized chips designed specifically for AI tasks. These aren't your average computer chips, they're built to handle complex algorithms and massive datasets. And the competition is fierce. Companies around the globe are racing to create the most advanced AI hardware. Enter DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup with their new model, the R1. This startup is making headlines with its innovative approach. It's making waves in the industry. Why? Because it's not just another chip, it's a game changer. Because it's faster, more efficient, and more accurate than many of its competitors. The R1 is setting new standards in AI hardware. Imagine a world where your phone can actually understand what you're saying, not just pretend to. The R1 makes this a reality. That's the kind of future DeepSeek is building, a future where AI seamlessly integrates into our lives, making everything smarter and more efficient. This isn't just about faster phones, folks. It's about creating a smarter world. This is about revolutionizing entire industries. From manufacturing to stock trading, AI is set to transform how we operate. Healthcare, finance, transportation, you name it, AI will touch it. The potential applications are limitless. And DeepSeek's R1 is shaking things up. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI hardware. Buckle up because the AI hardware race is about to get interesting. The future of AI is here, and it's powered by cutting-edge hardware. So what makes the R1 so special? What sets it apart from the rest of the pack? Traditional AI models are power-hungry behemoths. They require immense amounts of energy to function. They guzzle energy like it's going out of style, leading to high operational costs and environmental concerns. The R1, on the other hand, is a lean, mean processing machine. It's built with efficiency in mind. It's designed for efficiency, which means it can do more with less power. This translates to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Think of it as the Tesla of AI chips. Just like Tesla revolutionized the car industry, the R1 is set to revolutionize AI processing. But it's not just about saving energy. The R1 is also about performance. The R1 is blazing fast. It can handle data at speeds that traditional chips can only dream of. It can train AI models at speeds that would make your head spin. This means more efficient workflows and quicker results. This means faster development, quicker deployment, and ultimately, faster innovation. The R1 accelerates the entire AI development cycle. Time is money, my friends, and the R1 is all about saving you both. By speeding up processes, it saves valuable time and reduces costs. And let's not forget accuracy. The R1 is not just fast, it's also incredibly precise. The R1 delivers unparalleled accuracy in AI tasks. It ensures that your AI applications perform flawlessly. It's like having a super-powered brain working behind the scenes, making sure your AI applications are smarter and more reliable than ever before. This level of reliability is crucial for critical applications. Basically, it's the difference between your AI assistant actually being helpful and it accidentally ordering you a year's supply of mayonnaise. With the R1, you can trust your AI to get things right. For years, Nvidia has been the undisputed king of the GPU market. Their chips have powered everything from gaming PCs to self-driving cars. They've been sitting on the iron throne of AI hardware, and for good reason. Their GPUs are powerful, reliable, and widely adopted. But even kings face challengers. The emergence of companies like DeepSeek is putting pressure on Nvidia. These new players are bringing fresh ideas, innovative designs, and a hunger to disrupt the status quo. It's like the old guard suddenly realizing that the kids are all right, and some of them are even gunning for their job. This competition is a good thing, folks. It keeps everyone on their toes, drives innovation, and ultimately benefits the consumer. Competition is the American way, right? Well, it's the Chinese way too, apparently. China's investing heavily in AI. We're talking billions and billions of dollars. They're not just throwing money at the problem, though, they're creating a whole ecosystem to support AI development from research to manufacturing. Think of it as a Silicon Valley, but with dumplings. This government support is giving Chinese companies like DeepSeek a significant advantage. They have access to funding, talent, and a supportive regulatory environment. It's like having a government that actually wants you to innovate instead of just asking for campaign donations. This has led to a surge in Chinese AI hardware companies. These companies are not content with just being followers. They want to be leaders, and they're not afraid to challenge the established players. The dragon has awoken, and it's got a taste for silicon. Inside R1, unveiling the technical prowess. In this section, we delve deep into the heart of the R1, exploring the intricate details that make it a technological marvel. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The R1 is not just another piece of hardware, it's a masterpiece of engineering. What makes the R1 tick? What sets it apart from the rest? Well, it all starts with its unique data flow architecture. This architecture is designed to handle vast amounts of data seamlessly. Traditional AI chips are like a traffic jam of data, where information gets bottlenecked and slows down the entire process. The R1, on the other hand, is like a perfectly synchronized ballet. Every piece moves in harmony, ensuring smooth and efficient data processing. Data flows smoothly and efficiently, maximizing performance and reducing latency. Then there's the high bandwidth memory. This memory is crucial for the R1's performance. Think of it as the R1's brain. It's where all the critical data is stored and accessed at lightning speed. It's incredibly fast and can store massive amounts of data, ensuring that the R1 never runs out of space or speed. This means the R1 can process information at lightning speed without breaking a sweat. It's designed for peak performance. And let's not forget the dedicated software stack. This software is the brain behind the brain. This is the software that tells the R1 what to do. It's meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance. It's optimized for AI tasks, making sure the R1 is always firing on all cylinders. Every task is handled with precision. It's like having a team of expert mechanics fine-tuning your engine for peak performance. The R1 is always ready, always efficient, and always ahead of the curve. A new era of AI hardware implications and opportunities. The rise of companies like DeepSeek is ushering in a new era of AI hardware. An era of faster innovation, lower costs, and specialized AI chips. This is good news for everyone, except maybe Nvidia's shareholders. Faster innovation means we'll see AI advancements at an unprecedented pace. Self-driving cars, personalized medicine, robots that can actually fold laundry. The possibilities are endless. Lower costs mean AI will become more accessible to businesses and individuals. This will democratize AI, allowing anyone with a good idea to harness its power. Imagine a world where your local bakery can use AI to bake the perfect croissant. That's the future we're talking about. Navigating the future strategies for AI hardware dominance. So what's Nvidia to do in this brave new world? Well, they can't rest on their laurels, that's for sure. They need to innovate, adapt, and maybe even acquire some of these up-and-coming companies. They could also focus on developing specialized AI chips for specific industries. This would allow them to cater to the unique needs of each sector, from healthcare to finance to self-driving cars. Think of it as a bespoke suit, but for AI chips. Ultimately, Nvidia needs to remember that the AI hardware market is no longer theirs to lose. It's anyone's game, and the only way to win is to stay ahead of the curve. The king is dead, long live the king, only time will tell. The changing landscape and future potential of AI technology. The AI hardware market is in a state of flux. The old guard is being challenged, new players are emerging, and innovation is happening at breakneck speed. It's a time of great uncertainty, but also great opportunity. One thing is clear, AI is here to stay. It's going to transform our world in ways we can't even imagine. And the hardware that powers it will be at the forefront of this revolution. The future of AI is bright, and it's going to be powered by some seriously impressive chips. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because the ride is just getting started.